Ever pondered what makes your voice assistant respond so intelligently, or how your email filters out spam? The answer lies in artificial intelligence. This remarkable technology quietly orchestrates much of our daily lives, making tasks easier and more efficient. But how can one effectively utilize AI? Stay tuned to find out. Firstly, gain an understanding of AI. Comprehend its key concepts, such as machine learning and deep learning. It's crucial to grasp the basics of AI, not just because they're fascinating, but because they're reshaping our world. From healthcare to finance, AI's influence is expanding. Understanding its core principles will enable you to appreciate its potential and stay ahead of the curve in this rapidly evolving field. Remember, a strong foundation in AI basics can propel your AI journey. Secondly, maintain a constant learning curve. Artificial intelligence is a rapidly evolving field. It's like a river that never stops flowing. This continual evolution means that what's relevant today may be obsolete tomorrow. Therefore, it's essential to keep learning, to keep up with these changes. Dive into research papers, take online courses, join AI communities, immerse yourself in the world of AI, and you'll find your understanding deepening and your skills improving. As they say, knowledge is power. In the world of AI, it's your superpower. Finally, practice what you've learned. Apply your knowledge in real-life scenarios. It's one thing to understand AI concepts, but quite another to see them in action. Implementing these theories, experimenting, and then tweaking to perfect is where the real learning lies. Whether it's creating a simple chatbot or refining a complex algorithm, these experiences will solidify your grasp on AI. Embrace the trial and error process. It's your best teacher. Remember, in AI, learning by doing is the mantra. So, are you ready to embark on your AI journey? Remember, understanding the basics, learning consistently, and regular practice are your best guides. If you found these tips helpful and want to learn more about AI, hit that subscribe button and join us on this exciting journey. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed.